In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an older version of Twitter. This process can be a bit tricky as both the official App Store and Google Play Store typically install the latest compatible version of X, which is Twitter. They do not readily allow you to select a specific older version. This may seem limiting, but understanding how to navigate this can help you access the version you desire. Let's get started on this process step by step. First, you need to open the App Store if you are using an iPhone or iPad, or the Google Play Store if you're on an Android device. This step is essential because it is the gateway to accessing Twitter on your device. On your screen, you will see various categories and options for apps. Look for the App Store icon, which is typically found on your home screen. Tapping on this icon will lead you to a world of applications, including Twitter, where you can begin your search for the version you need. Next, you will want to search for X, which is the new name for Twitter. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type in X or Twitter and hit Enter. This action will bring up a list of results related to your query. You may notice the app icon for Twitter among the top results, making it easy for you to locate. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for what comes next. Once you find the correct app, you are one step closer to downloading. After locating the app, tap on the Get, Install, or the Re-Download button. This button allows you to download the app to your device. If you had previously downloaded the app, you might see a cloud icon with an arrow instead. Click on this to proceed with the installation. If an older compatible version is available for your device, the store may offer it automatically. This is important because it ensures that you are getting a version that is still supported on your device. Now, if the App Store or Google Play Store does not provide an older version automatically, you will need to use the latest supported version or access x.com in a browser. This means that in some cases, the older version you are looking for may not be available through the app stores due to compatibility issues. However, using the latest version or accessing the website can still provide you with the functionality you need. It's good to know that this method is a backup plan if the App Store does not have your desired version. Before moving forward, it is crucial to note that you should avoid downloading unofficial APK or IPA files from unknown websites. These files can pose serious security risks to your device. Downloading unauthorized versions can lead to vulnerabilities or even cause the app to stop working altogether. It is always best to stick with official sources to ensure your device's safety and functionality. By following these steps, you can navigate the process of downloading an older version of Twitter as seamlessly as possible. Remember, if the app stores do not provide what you need, using the website is a reliable alternative. Always prioritize security by avoiding unofficial downloads. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you successfully access the version of Twitter you want.